Hi, today we are going to see how to raise a requisition using Excel template. We need to click on the requisition. We came to the requisition screen. To create a new requisition, we need to click add. We need to select what requisition type. I am selecting a purchase requisition, so I have typed PQ. Then instead of selecting a template, we need to mention which department indenting this. So I am just mentioning fine dining department is indenting this, and from which store. So I am selecting food store. You need to select enter item detail. Then if you come right hand side, you have an option to select download template. So our Excel template will be downloaded. Let me open the template. So in this template, all the items belongs to in food store and to that department will reflect here. So we need to enter the quantity of which item we I'm entering 33325 and save. Can close this. In our prolific, we need to select the file. This is the file and upload data. So you can see automatically on whichever item we mention quantity, only those items appearing here. You can click save. Your requisition will be created using Excel template.